Hey everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video. And what a quiet and choppy day after, we've had a fantastic Friday and a fantastic follow-up Monday. And of course, it is due for the market to take its breath. From here, of course, end of the world, everybody was like, oh my God, the market's going to crash. And now, boom, here we are again. I've been looking for 4150 to 4200 before we actually get a pretty serious pullback, but we'll see if this is where it kind of kicks off. So we do have a 30-minute squeeze going into tomorrow. Netflix earnings, of course, last week were good. Microsoft earnings today weren't bad. It was up 10 bucks after hours, which was the expected move. And then today it was just a well-deserved rest. So this morning we gapped down. Typically the kind of the easiest trade if you gap down like small like this is to look for a gap fill. The gap fill was pretty sloppy. It took about 90 minutes, and then from there it was just the slow, dark death. So on days like this, what I like to do is that if we can't, so some of my favorite trades, if you can get like a 1% away from this 21 EMA on the 30-minute chart, in this case you could sell a put credit spread or even buy calls with the idea that we snap back to it. In a case like this where we can't even get away from it, it's all iron condors. So just selling iron condors at the expected move. We did that, just kind of sat on it, collected some premium decay, and then because we have a 30-minute squeeze, setting up some slightly bullish trades for tomorrow morning with the idea that this could fire long and we could get up to 40-40, maybe 40-50. We'll see. Obviously tomorrow anything can happen. Not a lot coming out tomorrow, so I don't like to do that, say, obviously in front of like the CPI or in front of some huge report that's going to come out. But when you got like what I would just simply call a normal morning where there's really nothing of note coming out, then certainly I want to pay attention to the 30-minute squeezes and the alignment and what's happening here. I mean, we are stacked positive with the 5 on top of the 8, which is on top of the 21. And for me too, it's kind of like, well, geez, what about the weekly charts and all that? Well, the type of trading we're doing, since it's more like 1, 2, 3-day trades, this to me is the new swing trade setup, where before it would be a 30-minute chart, a daily chart, and a weekly chart, and the idea would be on the daily chart taking signals in the direction of the weekly and then using the 30-minute to kind of hone in your entry. For these trades, it's exactly the same, where instead of the 30-minute you got the 1 minute, instead of the daily you got the 5-minute, instead of the weekly we've got the 30-minute. And so the idea is like, okay, what's happening here? Okay, well, we got an uptrend on the 30-minute, we got a squeeze. We'll take signals on the 5-minute chart, and if we do want to kind of hone in our entry, we can use the 1 minute. But truly that's all it's for. It's not, I don't really trade off of this. If you're going to trade off of this, it's something more quick like futures or something like that. But really to kind of, if we want to hone in our entry more a little bit on this. All right, so that's what we got. And we'll see for tomorrow with the Microsoft earnings. I expect we'll start off with some strength. And like I said, there is a lot of resistance at that 40-50 level. So I don't think, even if we got up there, I don't think we're going to blow through it. I think there's going to be a lot of resistance there. But I do think that there's a pretty decent opportunity if we can't test that tomorrow, maybe on Thursday. All right, that's what I got. You guys have a good one, and we'll see you at the next update.
Hey, John here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below and let us know what topic you want to see us cover next. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release new videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com and learn how to sign up. Good trading, and we'll see you next time.